It's been the longest day. You wish you could hit erase, but you aren't lucky that way. Oh no, nobody's lucky that way. But I want you to stop where you are. I want you to hear your heart, cause that's how you stay on par. Oh yeah, no need to raise the bar.
Hey guys, how y'all doing? It's 6:11 p.m. I am here for a quick meeting. The meeting is with comedian Jonathan Harris, aka John. That's his name. You guys probably have seen him on my page before. If you guys are not following him on social media, do me a favor and do that for me, please. My friend would really appreciate it. So yeah, we are at La Fogata. Probably saying it wrong, whatever. Then y'all, these are my shoes. They're cute, huh? I'm like, why he looking like that? Huh? Why are you coming out looking like this, John? He crazy. I do like want to give me a little drink, so.
What would y'all like to drink?
Do you have is the drink menu on here too? Okay. Okay. Give us a sec. No, alright, thanks. Why?
I'll do 8.
Really?
But I was finishing up.
Oh well, I'm gonna give me something to drink. Yeah, probably something we go home. Yeah, this is our view here. We're on the back side of the restaurant. You know?
I knew it was back here, but
I forgot to record my food, y'all. My quesadilla, steak quesadilla. Got a side of some queso cheese. Of course, the chips still came out, yeah. And then I have Jack Daniel and some Coke. Why are you looking like that? You got a booty bite.
nah.
What do you have going on over there? Oh, so y'all, I am at the Decor shop, picking up some bakeries for some friends.
Striding on sunshine, striding on sunshine, clouds just roll away. Striding on sunshine, don't gotta worry today. Striding on sunshine, clouds just roll away. No matter what I do, no matter where I'm going to, not a worry in the world for me. No matter what I
this is going to be my office area. As you can see, I already brought some of my equipment with me. Whew. And there's the bathroom, closet. There's a window there, some nice natural light. Here's the bathroom. A lot of little storage for all of my products. Little medicine cabinet. See if we can turn some lights on. Here's the bathroom. Yay. And then here's the bedroom. With a walk-in closet. Is there a light? Yep, there's a light. Very spacious. I'm excited. And then, yeah.
We need to go tell them ASAP.
Striding on the sunshine. Striding on the sunshine. Clouds just roll away. Striding on the sunshine.